Top influencers don't want you knowing this, but Aitana Lopez, one of the biggest viral influencers online, isn't even real. She was built entirely with AI, using the same tools you and I can access. She's not real, but she makes real money. And today, I'll show you step-by-step how to create your own consistent AI influencer, and then I'll show you how to start earning from day one. Here's how this is going to go. First, I'll show you exactly how to build a consistent AI influencer using OpenArt. Second, we'll bring that influencer to life with video and voice. And third, I'll walk you through how to monetize everything on FanView, the exact platform creators are using right now to earn real income with AI models. Don't worry if you're new, I'll guide you through every click, and all the links you need are waiting in the description. All right, let's build your influencer. Head over to OpenArt, and at the top, click Image, then Create Image. And I will point out that if you want to use yourself, then you just need an image of yourself. But if you want to create an AI influencer, the first thing you need to figure out is which is the best model to use. Personally, my go-to is Nano Banana. It gives some of the cleanest, most consistent results. But you can also test out Flux Context Pro, Flux Max, OpenArt, Photorealistic, Ideogram, Imagine 3 or 4, and Flux Crea. Different models have slightly different vibes, so don't be afraid to experiment. Now, let's talk prompts. Think of it like a simple formula: style, subject, action, environment, and lighting. Extra details. That's it. For example, if I want a new character, I might type photo of Penelope Lopez Sanchez, Spanish-Filipino woman, posing in front of camera. Plain gray background, long wavy brown hair, blue eyes, wearing choker collar. One quick tip: if the AI keeps giving you weird side angles, just add front view perspective at the end of your prompt. It locks the shot straight on. And here's something most people miss: the name matters. Giving your character a proper name makes the AI more consistent. And it also removes some of the bias that comes up if you just type woman or girl. So take a second and actually name your influencer. And here's an extra trick. If your model keeps defaulting to one kind of look, maybe too Western, too Asian, or repeating the same vibe, just mix nationalities into the prompt. Something like Spanish-Filipino-Brazilian woman or French-Korean-American model forces the AI to break bias and give you variety while still keeping the face consistent. Once your prompt is ready, hit generate, pick the best one, and then use the Omni reference tool. That's what locks in your character's look so every future photo actually matches. Now that you've got your influencer's base look locked in, here's where it gets fun. You can drop that single reference photo into new scenarios and create entire storylines. For example, I can take the exact same character and place her at a runway fashion show dressed in a sleek designer outfit, or sitting at a restaurant with a glass of wine, looking like she's midnight out, or even leaning against luxury cars or swimming in a pool. Same person, totally different worlds. This is where Nano Banana shines. It makes those iterative edits really smooth. You can swap backgrounds, change lighting, adjust perspective, and the face stays locked in. That's what makes the influencer feel real. Pictures are cool, but what makes people stop scrolling is motion. So let's turn your static influencer into video in OpenArt. Send your best image into image to video. Now, there are a few models I recommend testing. Cdance 1.0 is my personal favorite for consistent faces. Hailuo 02 and Kling 2.1 also give really natural results. When it comes to prompts, keep them super simple. The image already defines your subject, so you don't need to overcomplicate it. For example, woman standing near a red sports car, talking about the car as traffic passes behind her, or model in a swimsuit walking along the shore, camera slowly pans upward. Short, clear directions. The simpler the prompt, the cleaner the motion, and the more real your influencer feels. All right, time to make your influencer actually talk. Inside OpenArt, switch over to audio, then text to speech. Choose the V3 model. It's the most natural sounding voice by far. Type out your script, and you can even add little emotion tags like excited or giggles in square brackets to give it personality. Then choose the female voice and hit create.
You've made it this far, so stick around. Watch till the end, and Simplify will show you a proven way to monetize and start earning from me.
From here, you've got options. You can download the audio and save it, or use it right away for lip sync. If you'd rather, you can also upload your own voice or record it directly. And the way this works is that you can use an image or video. However, with images, you have 3 models to choose from: OpenArt Lip Sync, OmniHuman, or Hedra. If you want to do video, the only lip sync model we have right now is Kling, or you can use the previous version. and you would find that in the video tab here under audio. And then you can put your video here. Enable this, upload your audio, and done. Okay, so now, obviously, you'd have to select an image. So we're going to click on this. Click on History. I'm going to select this image and confirm it. We see the image here. We've already set up our audio, and all that's left to do is click on Create, and boom.
You've made it this far, so stick around. Watch till the end, and Simplify will show you a proven way to monetize and start earning from me.
You've got a short clip of your influencer actually talking. One thing to note, the longer your clip, the more credits it uses. For example, even just a 9-second talking video will cost around 150 credits. So keep that in mind when you're testing. Now, here's the real question. How do you actually make money with your AI influencer? Reality check. Most platforms are getting really good at detecting AI, and honestly, you'll barely make anything. But FanView is different. This is the same platform where top AI influencers like Aitana Lopez are actually cashing in. And the best part, they allow AI-created accounts. Here's how you set it up. Head to FanView, sign up, and click Start Earning. Choose your country of residency, and then pick the AI-created option when it asks what kind of content you'll be posting. Next, choose a niche. FanView doesn't really restrict you here. Even NSFW is allowed, so you've got freedom. Upload a strong profile picture. Pick the best shot from OpenArt, then set up your banner and bio. If you're stuck, just generate ideas with ChatGPT. It works great for catchy bios and even unique handles. For pricing, a good starting point is $9.99 per month. You can always adjust later, depending on what kind of following you build. Finally, you'll need to verify your identity. Once that's done, you're live. And here's a bonus. If you want to support me, when you're signing up, you can put Simplify AI's YouTube channel in the referral box. FanView also gives creators 100% of their earnings for the first 7 days, so it's the best time to start. Before you launch, let's make sure your profile is fully ready. Upload a clean profile picture, add a proper banner, and don't forget to set a gender even for AI. It matters for search and discoverability. Next, record or generate a quick intro video. This instantly builds trust with new visitors. They see motion, they hear a voice, it feels real. Set up automated welcome messages so every subscriber gets greeted right away. Then upload your best AI shots from OpenArt. For captions, don't overthink it. Just spin up some quick lines with ChatGPT and copy-paste. That way, your posts never feel empty. Also, make sure to link your socials for cross-promotion. Instagram, TikTok, X, it all drives traffic back to FanView. And here's proof it works. Even a test profile we ran already pulled in a $9.99 subscriber organically, without ads or promo. So let's recap. We just went from a single AI photo to building a full influencer to making videos, and then monetizing it on FanView. If you're ready to start, all the links you need, OpenArt, FanView setup, are right down below. And hey, if this video helped you, smash that subscribe button, drop a like, and share it with a friend who'd love to try building their own AI influencer. Remember, don't just follow influencers, create one.